Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. So I am here to announce the winners for the 1K giveaway. I know you guys have been waiting for this. I am so sorry I could not get it done before I left for Paris, but because I couldn't, I did a little something extra for you guys. So this video will have quite a bit of information in it, so please watch through all the way to the end. But not only that, at the very end there will be an additional giveaway. So as you guys know, for the 1K giveaway, you all decided, I had put up a poll, and you all decided that you would like just 2 winners. And I went with that. I was good. So I got 2 boxes of goodies together for 2 winners. And then I decided that 2 winners wasn't enough. So I decided, so while I honored your guys' request 100%, I decided to go ahead and add a 3rd winner. And that is for the Alyssa Edwards palette. But I was thinking, and I'm like, okay, I'd like to give away more. So what I have then done is I have given runner-ups. So box 1 has a winner, and then box 1 has a runner-up. Box 2 has a winner, and then box 2 has a runner-up. And then the Alyssa Edwards palette, there is a winner, and then there is also a runner-up. But to be 100% fair, the way I drew the names, I drew for box 1, box 2, Alyssa Edwards, and then the 3 runner-ups. Now, so I don't lose train of thought, I just kind of want to show you guys what's going on here. So box 1 winner, I'm not gonna really like dig through them or anything, but just know that it's stacked, it's heavy. And box 1's winner, there are 11 palettes in here, and then a bunch of other stuff, of course, but there are 11 palettes in a box 1's winner, or winner 1's box. And then, and then we have box 2's winner, and this one isn't as much tucked in, so I can kind of just show you a little bit about all the stuff that's in there, because it's not as tucked tightly as the other one. But this one has 7 palettes in it. So I thought that that was fun. And then, of course, winner 3 will get the Alyssa Edwards palette. And then what I have done is I have made up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have made 5 baggies up. And so the way this is gonna work is when I name the runner-ups for box 1 and box 2, you'll actually get to pick which bag you want. And I'm going to go through these bags. I'm not gonna go through the big boxes because there's just too much stuff, but I am going to go through all of these bags to show you what's in them. So that way you can choose, as the first runner-up, you can choose which bag you want. And then after you choose your bag, the second runner-up can choose their bag, and then the third runner-up can choose their bag. And that is the way that I decided to set this up. I just thought it would be a little extra. I thought it would be a little fun. And we'll name the bags so that way it's easier for you to pick. But with that being said, let me go ahead and get into these bags so that way you can see what's in them. That way, when I pick the winners, you're able to pick the bag. Okay, so we are going to call this bag the lips bag. And the things that are in this bag, I'm going to pull them out real quick. I will go through them and then I'll put them back. Okay. So what is in the lips bag? You get an Ulta Beauty Duochrome highlighter. You get the Pure Barbie Girlactic face mask, or I'm sorry, Glitterly face mask. You get a long-lasting intense black eyeliner, and it is by Glittering Star Eyeliner, I guess is the name brand, or Jean Touble, I don't know. It's a black eyeliner with glitter in it. The next thing you get is you get a Bare Minerals loose eyeshadow, a loose pigment, and the color is in Perfect. I don't know if you can really see around the labeling or not, but it's kind of like a goldish brownish color. Maybe like a greenish, like a goldish greenish brownish color. And then the next thing you get is you get a little eye trio by It Cosmetics, and it's Naturally Pretty. You get an NYX Velvet Matte Lipstick in the color Unicorn Fur. You get a little Gimme Brow by Benefit, and it is, I'm pretty sure that this is like a universal color. It's one of those brow products that are universal, so that's why it's in here. The next thing you will get is a mascara by Deuce, or Dose, however you pronounce it. And then the last thing in here is an ultra glossy lip by ColourPop. So that is what you get in the lips bag. Okay. The next thing, I'll grab this bag, is the fringe bag. And in the fringe bag, let me put everything out first. Oh, and while I'm doing this, I will mention that yes, Ipsy Plus replaced my palette. So with that being said, in the fringe bag, you get the Dream Big Eye Palette that was in Ipsy Plus, where mine broke. But this is a brand new one, and it's by Tarte, so you get that. You get an Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner. You get a Lush Matte Cream by Mora. You get an Adesse All Day Lip Cream in Believe Boulevard. You get a Bella Pierre Setting Spray. You get the Canicel Depuff Eye Cream. You get a Liquid Beam Larizzi Cosmetics. I'm pretty sure this was, yeah, it's, I don't know, what is it? It's in Topaz, and it's either an eyeshadow or a lip product. I don't remember, so I'm not gonna pull it out. You get an Urban Decay mascara in Perversion. You get a Revolution lipstick in No Perfection, and it's a pretty red color. Alexa, turn on the fan. And then you get an apple cider vinegar hair rinse. So that all comes in the fringe bag. Next, the green bag. We'll just call it the green bag. So in the green bag, you get a Kaylin eyeliner. You get a Ciate London mascara. You get a mini makeup eraser. You get an eyeshadow by Suva Beauty. And then you also get the Real Her palette. Next we have the Sephora bag. And in the Sephora bag, whoever picks this bag will get the Air Atelier Eye Primer, the Curology Face Cleanser, the Soothe Operator Face Spray, the Phase Zero in the color Fancy, which is an eyeshadow, and then the Lorac lip gloss. And then if you pick this bag, we will call this the Leaf bag. Oh, these names are so original, aren't they? If you choose to pick the Leaf bag, you will get the Girlactic Mechanical Eyeliner in brown. You will get this Me Mass Eden Facial Steam. You will get the Hot Oil Hair Treatment. You will get the Tarte Blush in Bikini Bottoms. You will get the Big Ego Tarte Mascara. You will get a highlighter from Ulta, and you will get a lip essential color by Cargo. So, with all of that being said, we are going to announce the winners. So, the winner for the first big box with 11 palettes is Brandy Reynolds. Congratulations. The winner for the second big box that has 7 palettes in it is Sherry Lampier. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. Congratulations. The winner for the Alyssa Edwards palette is Evelyn Rose. Congratulations. And now to name the runner-ups. So, the first runner-up for the first box is Sandy Meacham. And so Sandy Meacham, you get to pick your bag first. So you're either going to pick the Lips bag, you're going to pick the Fringe bag, you're going to pick the Sephora bag, you're going to pick the green bag, or you're going to pick the Leaves bag. As soon as you pick, then the second runner-up gets to pick their bag. And I wrote this down, so I did not slaughter it because I am not sure how to say this or pronounce it. I hope it's right. But then after you pick your bag, Sandy, then Glam Burt Music Lover 23 is the second runner-up. So you get to pick your bag. Converse in emails back and forth just so everybody is getting their stuff in the right order, this, that, and the other. And then the runner-up for the Alyssa Edwards palette is Vicky Green. So Vicky Green, then you can pick your bag. I have my email down below. All of the winners need to contact me through my email, and you have 24 hours after this video goes up to contact me. Let's see, 24 hours? Yeah, I think 24 hours is a reasonable time because I would like to get all of these things shipped out by Saturday since you guys have waited for so long. So my email is down in the description below. All the winners need to reach out to me with your addresses. That way we can communicate back and forth about what bags are being picked, you know, the boxes and the pallets, just I need your addresses. Now, so for my final thing for this video, and then I'm sorry, this has been kind of a long video, but for the final thing for this video, I have decided to give away this Michael Kors purse that I got in that thrift bag. Some of you on that post said that you would like this bag. So I am going to open this bag up for a giveaway. It's only going to last until Friday. Yeah, it's going to last until Friday because I would like to get this shipped out with all of the other packages, all of the other winners. I would like to get this shipped out. So if you want this bag and you want to be entered to win this bag, this giveaway right here is only going to be open until Friday. So I can pick a winner on Saturday and ship it out. You need to comment down below. All you have to do is you have to be subscribed to this channel. That's mandatory. Please stay subscribed to this channel. Be so kind. Don't leave me. Tell me, you just say I would like the purse. I would like to be entered for the purse. And like this video. And you know, again, everybody else, I've decided I am going to have another giveaway at 1,500 subscribers. It will be multiple winners again, just because I have so much love to give and product. So please, you know, whatever bags don't get picked out of the 5 here, that will go in toward the next giveaway. You know, help me reach 1,500. Tell your friends, your family, anybody that you think would be interested in my content, which is unboxings galore. I do get readies with me on Tuesdays live, most Tuesdays anyway. And I don't know, all that other stuff I do on this channel. Anyway, so that is it. Congratulations to all the winners. Again, contact me through my email that is down in the description. I need your addresses, and then for the runner-up winners, I need which bag you choose. And then also, if you are interested in this Michael Kors bag, this Michael Kors purse, just comment down below. Make sure you're subscribed, comment down below. And again, it's just going to be a super brief giveaway just so I can get it shipped out Saturday with all this other stuff. So if you comment down below, you will be entered, and I probably won't get a chance to post about it before then, but I will post a winner in the comments down below. I will post a winner of whoever wins this bag, and that will be shipped out on Saturday with everything else. Thank you so much if you guys have made it this far. Hopefully you have made it this far on this video. It's a doozy. Thank you for being a part of my YouTube channel, my YouTube family, and I hope you all have a really great day. I look forward to getting to 1,500 subscribers so I can give away more stuff. Have a great day. Bye.